Hello, I'm Sean from amomii, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the digital assets that come with the Mini Grand Mega Kit. Inside of the Mega Kit you get this sheet, and inside of here there are details about where to access the digital assets. We'll start off by looking at the data sheet. The data sheet starts off with a description of the product. It talks about the different components that come with it, and there are even links to the specific data sheets for each of the components used. All you have to do is click on the icon. For example, if you click on the icon of this LED, it'll open up the data sheet for the LED here, and you can learn more about it. Under here is the PCB layout. It shows you how to connect the board once it's complete to a microcontroller. A connection diagram showing you what each of the different components are connected to on your microcontroller. It has some circuitry details, for example, about the audio output devices and connectors. It talks about the way in which the LEDs and the keys are wired. They're actually wired in quite a unique way so that they can be controlled passively and actively. There are board dimensions under here and revision history. Next up, let's look at the Getting Started manual. The Getting Started manual is quite an in-depth book, so I'll just go through it quickly. It starts off with the introduction, just showing you what should be inside of the kit. It talks about all of the active components and which pin they are connected to on the microcontroller, and gives some additional information about some of the components. It shows you the steps on how to solder the components to the shield. First of all, showing where they go, and then the various steps in lots of detail on how to do so. There's also a video showing you how to do this. Next up, there's the connection steps, which is pretty straightforward. And then code. There's an example code that you can download, and it shows you how to install the necessary libraries, how to upload the code, and how to test your board. After that, it shows you how to assemble the piano, the actual casing, and then gives you some example projects that you can upload, and it tells you how to use these example projects. Next up, there's the schematic. It shows you the wiring of the Mini Grand board. And here it has the code, the Arduino code and hardware fundamentals book, and the 3D printables, but we'll talk about them in separate videos. Okay, that's about it. Bye.